Hi guys, welcome back to the build series where my friend Jafet rices his Civic out. I'm just kidding. He's actually gonna do like pretty cool things to it. He has like this full build plan that he showed me, and I think you want to show them.
Not
yet.
Check it out, bro. So I have this. You know, I kind of got this on my uncle's shop. You know, hit up my uncle Yoni. You know, he like paints all that shit and all that. He has like a bunch of cars for sale. So like, you know, I got this exhaust.
Dude, I can't wait to see what the exhaust sounds like on this Civic. Usually if you get the wrong exhaust for a Civic, it sounds pretty bad, but I don't know. Maybe it'll sound good, maybe it'll sound bad. We don't know. We'll find out.
I'm gonna turn it on right now, give it a couple revs, and then we're gonna do a before and after comparison. Tienes que tener cuidado, chico. Cuando tú estás trabajando con la Honda Civic, chico. Tienes que tener cuidado. Yeah, stay tuned. You know, Jafet's build. I don't know what to name her yet. What do you guys think? You know, put down in the comment section below. You know, to give my car a name. You know, so yeah.
So this car recently got a fresh paint job, right? I mean, it's kind of dirty right now, but
Point flashlight.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that sparkle. This is the fitment we're going for. Try wiggling it. Yeah. What's up, PD?
Oh shit! You know, we're gonna cut the springs too, you know, life hack. Oh.
You stupid.
I love that car. Put it in there.
Okay, so what we just found out is that this is the stock exhaust right now, but then it just has a what, DC racing exhaust tip just shoved over it. So yeah, look, you could see like the stock exhaust right there.
That's so ghetto. Look how it hangs off. It doesn't even fit. It's just like U.S. Army. No, I'm just playing.
Hey guys, I'm here to sponsor Carmex. I don't have any on right now, but get your chapped ass some Carmex.
Age restricted.
You should put that in the bloopers.
We're gonna put this exhaust on this car.
Shut the fuck up with your dirty ass Honda Civic.
Dirty. It's actually clean. My paint job's nicer than yours, bro.
Change your spare tire wheels.
I am. You wanna see my rims?
No.
Oh man. Oh. I'm on my way to your girl's crib, homie. Oh shit!
What happened right now?
Girl. Oh dang.
Alright, so Jafet is gonna start the Civic up with no muffler or anything right now.
You don't need a.
Oh no!
Bro, that sounded like. Bro, no words, no words. Alright, so you know, we just got done putting on the exhaust right now, and we're gonna see how it sounds.
Honestly, I don't know what a bad Honda sounds like or what a good Honda sounds like, so I can't really judge. But it kind of popped a little, so that's pretty cool.
Alright, rev it. that's good. What?
Okay, you guys keep up.
Hey, he's just having fun, dog. Look at him, look at him, look at him.
Let's get some in-car sound.
Hey, how does it sound like from the outside?
It's fucking loud.
Dude, it's hella loud in here.
You drive like this is stolen, bro.
First impressions, this thing is so obnoxious. Like, this is what you would hear. Like,
Yo, you know where I
this is
should
like
go?
the typical Civic that everyone talks about. Like, it's super loud.
You know where I should go? I'm gonna go to the. We're gonna go to the tunnel right now, and then I'm gonna put it in neutral, and I'm gonna rev it when we're in the tunnel. Bro,
Dude, how are you gonna sneak out now?
put it in neutral and go to like 5 blocks away.
Guys, this thing is so obnoxious. So loud, bro.
Yeah, I think I should put on the silencer and then try it on, like just to see how that.
I think it's gonna sound like crap with the silencer on though, so I don't know.
Oh, God.
Tyler, what do you think?
It's fucking loud. It's just fucking right loud.
All right, we're coming to the tunnel right now, and I think he's gonna what? You're gonna put in neutral, and you're. Oh my God! All right.
Kinda. Pretty close.
There's your Civic.
Oh, let's
Honda.
race.
There's your Civic Honda friend right there.
Nah, his exhaust ain't loud as mine.
Bro. Hey, he got.
You hear this?
This thing is so long. All right, so I'm gonna drive this back. This is so loud.
You wildin'.
Oh my God, guys. No. Bro, you're gonna be driving around and it's gonna be like super, super loud. Oh my God. Damn, you're gonna get shit creak.
Sounds like a lawnmower. Just imagine it falls off during the train tracks. Boom, boom. It's like it just falls off.
Dude, this clutch is so easy to drive on.
Yeah, the clutch on a Honda is way super easy. Hey, shout out to Honduras. You know me? The motherland.
This is how you sneak out, guys. If you have a loud Civic, put it in.
I should give a tutorial on how to do that. How loud is it back there, Ty?
Your ears are ringing.
Your ears are ringing?
Yeah, just kidding.
Wait, let's see what it sounds like with the windows up. You see how I put it with the windows
Oh yeah, with the windows up. We haven't done that. Still pretty loud.
Dude, it sounds the same. That was a nice little downshift. All
So-
right, man. What are your final thoughts?
My final thoughts. I mean, you know, it sounds alright. It's like a deep pitch, so like, you know, I kind of like it when it's more deep pitch. So, you know, most Hondas that are like the super high pitch, you know, they don't really sound that good. But I mean, it sounds decent. You know, I'll give it a 6.8 out of 10. Yeah, I think that's fair, right? 6.8 out of 10. But like, you know, it makes it like 100 times more fun to drive when when it's so loud. Like, so I mean, I like it. It's pretty good. So you know how it's like summertime, you know, we're currently in Iowa, you know, the mosquitoes like to get everywhere. So, you know, all you gotta do is get some of this and just look. Simple, super simple as fuck. What the fuck? That's all you have to do. And the greatest part about this, it adds a little bit more shine to your wheels. Like, look at that. Peek out anywhere, bro. That thing is so fucking loud, man.
Dad finna call you when you leave. Like, get your ass back home.
Bro, like, bro, hey, get back home. It's like, I'm only like, it's like I'm a mile away. He's like, hey,
Yeah,
I hear
hear me?
your
Like,
car.
he like, bro, you tried it. I'm not gonna get mad at you. You tried it.